You know what? When I came from Mexico, okay? And let me tell you, it's so rough over there, okay? So this is like nothing. You understand? Mi amiga?
So I went down in the market and I was like,
Oh,
do you
gosh.
have
What
any?
market did you go to?
Do you have any prosciutto? Because last time I went down there, Eddie was like getting in my face. I saw Sammy down at the shipping yard.
Shipping yard.
And you know, he works over the shipping yard, he works nights,
Yeah,
he's got
she actually just had a cab.
Derek's like, God.
Listen, if you don't like it,
Derek used to have like a bunch of dudes in his house, now he just has a bunch of chicks. How's Sammy? One by one. That's right. I got the Filipino, I got the real white one, and then I got the skinny Scot. That's what we call her.
skinny slut.
We call her the skinny Scot. She's the skinny Scot. Dude, so I saw that new movie, Titanic. It just came out.
Oh my gosh.
I went to Blockbuster and got it on VHS.
Oh yeah.
It's great.
You know, I need to go get my VHS back.
Oh my god. Did you hear about Betamax? Laserdisc.
Jerry!
Oh my. Jerry! Hey Jerry.
You never heard of her?
Katie.
She's not very
Please. I'm almost Jerry. Anyway.
So you said I'm new already.
Whatever. You take a lot of pills, buddy. And I chug it with a nice tall boy. And meat. Tall boy has a drink beverage, you numbskull.
A numbskull? We could call it a numbskull. Do you want to get into
I'm calling you a numbskull. Listen, it's called a tall boy. Do you go in? Listen, you go to your
flavor
go
did
to
you
your
get?
local
What flavor?
go to your local 7-Eleven. Walk up to that. Okay, anyway, you walk up. You say, "Give me the tall boy, not the short boy." He wraps it up in a paper bag and he hands it to you, and then you slide him the $5 in your Dunienberg.
Dunienberg?
Yeah.
So, you sound more like New York.
Hey, okay, maybe I'm from New York. What do you gotta say about it?
So what flavor did you get? Did you get chocolate like normal?
Chocolate what?
Chocolate tall boy.
No.
What conversation?
There's no such thing as
You always
chocolate tall boy.
I'm pretty sure.
But hey, I don't know. Oh my god.